Hello again. I look like that poor little dog that got punched in the face or something. And just the broken. What was that? Was that from a movie or something? Or maybe it was a dog I knew. Anyway, I'm just watching an old movie, Einstein, made by Yahoo Serious a long time ago. I think it was the 80s even, or early 90s or something. Sort of a spoof on Einstein, saying he comes from Tasmania and split the atom to put bubbles in beer and all this sort of stuff. But Einstein, they say he's a genius, but he wasn't really that smart, really. I mean, he came up with the theory of relativity, but really it's not quite accurate. E equals, or energy equals mass times the speed of light squared. It's not quite true. Lots of random things happen using that theory. They have to sort of pad it out, But I think the theory really is energy equals mass times the speed of light squared in a parabola. So it should actually have a parabola on it. So, which means that theory is correct in the scope of mathematics. Outside of that, it's not actually true. So it has to be in a parabola. So in the known universe, or in the scope of the effects of physical mathematics on a theory. So I don't know, some genius out there will know what I'm talking about, but I can't be bothered explaining it all. I don't really want to explain it all. It's one of those theories that's quite dangerous. People split the atom with it to create bombs, and you've seen the devastating effects of that. So probably has good outcomes in terms of world peace. People are threatened not to actually commit war because they'll drop an atomic bomb or nuclear bomb on someone. I suppose in a way it's almost like preventing war by threatening people with mass destruction. It's a shame we have to see it all decimate the earth, though, and kill a lot of people and a lot of animals, and destroy a lot of habitat, and probably disrupt a lot of the ecosystem under the ground too. And all the atomic energy left behind. The radiation but it's in a parabola really. That theory should be encased in. So that's my theory. So we'll see how it flies. Just don't make bombs. Just do exciting things like little firecrackers or something, Why does it have to be so big and dramatic and blow up the fucking world, Anyway, think small. Like with robots, small tasks. Don't create something that does everything, taking over humanity.